a long pending demand was there of detention center in Goa, whereby a lot of foreigners, when they come over here, especially from the African countries, they come over here and purposely destroy the passport. And whenever the police stops them or catches them for anything, for any other offense, they say we don't have a passport, our passport is lost. Actually, they have destroyed the passport. So such type of foreigners are over here for the last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. They go on traveling from Goa to Mumbai, Mumbai to Delhi, Bangalore. So they keep on changing their addresses, and they are within India. So such type of foreigners should be immediately detained in the detention center and deported out of the country. So this long pending demand has finally seen the light of the day, and the work which was started some 3 years back has been completed, and today it is inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. I am very happy for that, because it is the need of the hour for our coastal belt, especially Kalangut constituency, as far as Arpara Nagwa, Kalangut Baga, Kandalim, Shinkerim is concerned, and also in other parts of Goa, like Anjuna, Vagadar, Shapora, Morjim, where a lot of foreigners want to stay in Goa without any valid document. They don't have visa, or their passports have expired, because they are here for the last 1, 2, 3 years, and nobody is even questioning them. So such type of foreigners, once they are identified, without filing any case on them, any FIR on them, so they are produced before FRRO, foreigners branch, and they will put them in the detention center under their care and custody, and government will do necessary procedures and follow up with their embassy or government of India for their immediate they will be sent from the country, deported from the country. This is a very good thing.